An overview of email broadcasts. From your dashboard, go to email broadcasts. So email broadcasts allow you to send out newsletters, sign up information, and basically contact any of the members in your site, whether they be students or leads or any roles within your Zenler site. You'll notice that under email broadcasts, you have a section called All Broadcasts. From here, you can create new broadcasts. You can also view those newsletters or broadcasts that you have set up, and you can delete, and you can clone, and you can even edit these. You'll notice at the top that it will give you an overview of delivery rates, open rates, clicked rate, unsubscribed, bounces, and open rates inside of this dashboard. As you send out your emails, more information will be produced by each email here. Let's have a look at this and see how it looks. Here you can see a lot of email broadcasts that have gone out. You'll notice all the additional information down on the right hand side, corresponding with that particular email broadcast. You'll notice at the top that you have an overview of all of the emails you have sent out. Under each of these, it gives you a delivery rate, an opened rate, a clicked rate, whether they have unsubscribed, and or if they have bounced. This gives you information on each of your email campaigns. The overview gives you the big picture of what is going on. You can find an email broadcast by just typing the name inside of this section and clicking the magnifying glass. This features any of the email broadcasts that have the word Zen Zone in them. This is a quick overview of the email broadcasts inside of Zenler. Also within the email broadcasts, you have the ability to totally design any of your broadcasts going out by editing. You can set up recipients to receive the email, and you can use advanced filtering to filter out the users you wish to send your email broadcast to. You'll also see options down here for different send types. We're using Zenler Mail, but if you have SMTP set up, you could use your own mail system. You can enter your own email, the from name, and the title here. If we click next, you can see the content of the email. This is highly configurable. Check out the documentation on the email broadcast designer. You can send a test email to yourself, and if you click next, you can schedule this, leave it as draft, which is good for creating it as a template, or you can click send now to send it immediately to any of the contacts in your list. Please note, if we return back to the email broadcast, you'll notice this is in draft. We could clone this and create a template. So if you have created this particular one as a template, you could then clone it like so, and use it as a basis your next email broadcast. Within email broadcast, you can also set up email lists to go to certain members, and you can add users to lists by going to all contacts. Email broadcasts in Zenler are very powerful and can gain a lot of engagement and new sales. This is email broadcasts, an overview inside of Zenler.